Hi, Tyler. Okay. Tell mommy what letter is this one? M. Good job. What about this one? G. What about this one? E. Good job. What about this one? A. Not A. A. What about this one? Y. Good job. And what about this one? C. C. What about this one? Q. Q. What about this one? J. What about this one? L. Good job. What about this one? S. Good job. What about this one? B. Good job. What about this one? V. Not V. V. What about this one? I. Hold on. Mommy give it to you. Hold on. What's that one? Show me what's in your hand. What's that one? O. What about this one? P. And tell mommy what this one is. U. How about this one? F. Good job. How about this one? X. How about this one? W. W. And this one. What's this one? That's not an E. What's this one? K. What about this one? N. Yeah, N. What about this one? R. Good job. And this one? H. H. Not everything's E, baby. What about this one? T. What about this one? Z. Good job. Last one. What is this one? D. Good job. High five. High five. Good job.